Join us as we explore the Wolong Giant Panda Garden in Chengdu, one of the best places in China to see adorable giant pandas up close. From playful panda cubs to serene bamboo forests, this panda sanctuary offers an unforgettable experience for animal lovers and travelers like me and you. Welcome to Chengdu, China, home of the world's most iconic bears. Today we are exploring the incredible Wolong Giant Panda Garden, a peaceful sanctuary where you can see these gentle giants living their best lives. This garden is part of Chengdu's renewed efforts in panda conservation and research. It's not just a tourist destination, it's a working center where pandas are bred, studied, and cared for. If you want to catch them in action, arrive early. Pandas are most playful in the morning before they take their long afternoon naps. Plan your visit wisely. Due to popularity, this area can be crowded during weekends and holidays. Book your ticket online in advance or arriving early can help minimize wait times. The garden is beautifully designed with shaded paths, bamboo forests, and plenty of spots to observe the pandas without disturbing them. Check out the playlist below, Exploring China One City at a Time 2025 series for more of China. We start in Beijing and Chengdu is our third city that we visited. How to get here? From Chengdu City, it's about 2 hours by car.
8 years old.
8 years old. Stay tuned as we explore the famous city of Chengdu, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more of China. If this is your first time in China, I highly recommend to get a local tour guide with transportation. The local guide can share insights about the panda behavior and conservation efforts, the history of the center, the specific pandas' names, stories, and personalities. This can transform your visit from a simple walkthrough into a rich learning experience. Check out the description below for a local guide. Whether you're an animal lover or just curious about China's national treasure, the Wolong Giant Panda Sanctuary is a must visit. If this destination inspired you, wait until we see where we are heading next. Don't miss it. See you on the next one.